This question is about a function of x. Y is a function of x, and it shows you the graph of this function. And according to the function, when y equal to 0, you have this minus b is either x plus b equal to 0, or x plus c equal to 0, or x plus d equal to 0. So x should be 0 at minus c minus d. There are 3 0 points, minus b, minus c, and minus d. And here, according to the graph, you have 3 0 points as well. It is minus 2, minus 1, and 1. And then we need to also pay attention to this square. Means x plus d is a degree 2, 0, which means it is a turning point at this 0. All right? Therefore, it is so obvious that among these 3 0, only at x equal to 1, it is a turning point. Therefore, we know that minus d should be equal to 1, which means d should be equal to minus 1. And all the other zeros, you have b and c, so minus b, minus c, either one should get the value of minus 2 and minus 1, which means it's either b equals to 1, c equals to 2, or the other way around, b equals to 2, c equals to 1. For the value of a, we can check at the y-intercept here. The y-intercept of the graph is minus 6, which means when x equal to 0, y should be equal to minus 6. So we put 0 and minus 6 back into this equation, and we have things like this. And now a times 0 plus b should be b, 0 plus c is c, 0 plus minus 1 should be minus 1, but square, which makes it 1. And from the previous information, we also know that b and c should be either 1 or 2, right? So it doesn't make differences. So it should be minus 6 equals to a, and it makes a equals to minus 3. Among the choices, you have a equals to minus 3, d equals to minus 1, and then b and c equal to either 2 or 1. So the answer should be D. Question 5 here, it is a function p in terms of time t. As time goes by, the function should follow this graph. And you can see that at the beginning, when t equals to 0, you should have p0 equals to 3000. And according to the graph, when time goes by, the value is declining. The value of p is declining. When time continues, the value of p is approaching 1500, which makes limit of t tends to infinity, pt should be equal to 1500. Let's now take a look at our choices here. So we have p0 equal to 3000. When t equal to 0, the value of p depends on this e to the power minus kt. But when t equal to 0, it becomes e to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 equal to 1. So all this e to the power kt should get the value of 1, which makes only 1500 plus 1500. It is 3000. 3000 minus 1500, it is not 3000, so this one should not be the correct answer. And C should be 4500, not the correct answer again. And 4500 minus 1500 also give you 3000. So
Now we only have choices A and D can be one of the correct answer. Now we have to check what happens when t tends to infinity. We want the function when t goes to infinity, the function value goes to 1500. Again, we only have to take a look at the e to the power minus kt. E to the power minus kt is actually equals to 1 over e to the power kt. When t goes to infinity, when t gets large, e to the power kt also gets large. 1 over a very large number, it goes to 0 as t goes to infinity. So when t gets large, this term goes to 0. Therefore, only option A has the limit of t tends to infinity. The function value goes to 1500. But option D, you get 4500, which is not the case here. The answer is A.